Today we are making a protection jar. As you can see, there are many types of protection jars, and you can select your own ingredients you will add in. I will show you what am I adding to my protection jar. You don't need to have every single ingredient, and you can decide it by yourself. So now let's start. You are going to need one jar and one white candle to oh my god, one white candle to seal the jar. You will need a cinnamon stick, and if you don't have it, you can also use cinnamon powder. You can break that cinnamon stick and put it inside. Cinnamon brings us luck, brings us money, prosperity, comfort, abundance, success, wisdom, a lot of many positive effects of cinnamon, so make sure you have the cinnamon. Now make sure you have cloves, because they are important. Cloves attract wealth. They cleanse negative energy. They are here for healing, protection. And also, don't forget to put a salt inside. The salt is also crucial. I also like to add some chamomiles for calming effect. Don't forget the bay leaf. On this bay leaf you can write your name or your wish or anything you want. It doesn't have to be the leaf from your garden, you can buy it also. As for the herbs, it is very good to have your own herbs in your own garden, but it's not crucial. So we are going to take a bit of a rosemary. You can take some lavender. If you don't have lavender like this, it doesn't have to be like this. You can take lavender seeds. Okay, and now the basil, one leaf enough. Now for the herbs we pick basil for love, attraction, prosperity, wealth, protection, luck. Make sure you have it. Also rosemary for protection, purification, memory and mental clarity, love, healing. Make sure you have these plants. As I said before, lavender. You can add lavender petals, or you can add lavender you took from your garden. And let's begin. Optionally, you can always add to your jar your favorite stones, as rose quartz, clean quartz. As we know, they attract love. They are here for purification and everything. So let's go. First and the most important step is to clean your space and clean your jar with intention. You can use Palo Santo, you can use cinnamon stick that you have, or you can use sage, of course. So you burn the cinnamon stick, and the same process is here. We are ready to begin. Now make sure you do this jar with attention and focus on what you are doing. First, we're going to add some salt inside for our own protection. After that, we're going to put our bay leaf or our basil for love and attraction, prosperity. Also, if you have cinnamon stick, you can break it, or you can use a powder cinnamon. This time I am going to use a powder cinnamon. Add inside, then add some cloves. As for the bay leaf, write your name or anything you want to manifest or protect me, anything like that, and put it inside of your jar. Then add some lavender. You can also put petals. And now I'm going to add some chamomile for the calming effect. Okay. And don't ever forget the rosemary. Trust me, the rosemary is crucial. It's very, very powerful plant. Just put it inside. Okay, now we're going to close our jar. Before you're going to seal your jar, put something that you do not smash your board as I did before. Now, light up the white candle and just seal the jar that the energy does not go outside of this jar. Let the energy stay inside. Focus on your intention for this jar to protect you, to heal you, to save you. You can also say some affirmations if you have. When you finally seal your jar, depends on its size. It can be bigger, smaller, with crystals, without crystals. You can make like the small jar in your purse or somewhere next to yourself. You can make this jar, put it in front of your pillow or near your bed for protection. Also this big one in your bedroom. And let's see our jar. Our beautiful jar is done. And now you just use it wisely. Thank you for watching. Please watch my videos as I post new spell every day. And subscribe, recommend, and blessed be. Here's an interesting thing. When I was sealing my jar, I actually made a smiley face with the wax. Funny, right?